Hello everyone, welcome back to Space Engineers. Survival. No mods. Just yet. I was thinking, for mods, maybe we set ourselves a target of going to, I don't know, the moon or something? Like, getting off the planet. And, wow, there's a bunch of, like, different planets around here. I think that's the moon over there, as in our moon. That might be the moon, I don't know. Maybe, but anyway, yeah, I think once we get to the moon, maybe I'll install a couple of mods. I'm not thinking like, completely change the game mods. I'm thinking more, I don't know, something like all of the quality of life stuff that I've been seeing people use, like what was it, build info or build view or whatever it's called. Those I'm thinking about installing those mods, and there's a few other mods as well. Like, I don't know if I should put modular encounters or whatever it's called in this, because I really like the idea of it. Like I was saying, I think a couple of episodes back, that there's supposed to be like these little outposts that you go to. Oh, actually, wait, that reminds me, there is a thing. We've got this thing. I might go here today. Just trying to think about what to do. Right click, create GPS marker. Okay, where the heck's that? That's my antennae. It's my base, there's my iron. Oh, did it turn it off automatically? Aha, show in HUD. Now, where are you at? What the heck? Why are you so far away? That's so annoying. Ah, you know what I should do? I should make a little, just exploration drone. Not drone, little exploration, like, thingy, like this, but without the drill on it or anything. I could almost copy this exact design, except get rid of basically everything. Just batteries, some thrusters, and a cockpit, I suppose, would do. I like that idea. And then we'll just, like, fly about. Okay. That's going to be today's goal. Because I'd like to get over to that station and back. So maybe we need, like, quite a lot of batteries. Ooh, new plan forming. New plan forming in my head. Yeah, I like this idea. So, these wind turbines are absolutely awesome, right? Because we got loads of wind, we're getting loads of power from these. In fact, I think it's, like, filled up this battery right here. I need to name this battery. See, if I had the build view mod, I could just, like, open the console thingy for this, and I wouldn't have to go through here and look for battery. I believe it's that one. Why is it going down? That's weird. Input and output. Oh, I know why. It's probably going into, like, the rest of these batteries. It's the cargo batteries. Yeah, there we go. See, fully recharged. So it's trying to recharge all of the batteries first, I think, on here. Oh, that's a point. Let me what is it? It's 4, and that turns them into recharge mode. Oh, I need to do that with this as well. Battery, cargo battery. I mean, I could do it. Where is it? Cargo battery, and then we do recharge. I mean, what I should really do is change that group so it's like all of these at the same time. But that just means that these are 100% being recharged right now, which is why these are going down. But anyway, yeah, I got a new plan. My new plan is, the reason that I mentioned the wind turbines is because the wind turbines only work on a station. So technically this is a station right here. And I was thinking, why don't we make a large ship? Instead of a small ship like this, we'll make a large ship. Might need a bit more room for this. I mean, I can build it wherever, couldn't I? I can build it out here, for example. Yeah, I like that. So we'll build a large ship which has like solar panels, which is what I used over at our ice mining area, which, by the way, has not got any more ice for me since I mined my own ice down there. It's still going, it's still spinning. So hopefully at some point it will get down there. I should probably pop over there again at some point and like change the pistons over. But anyway, for now, I'm thinking we make a large ship with some of the basics on it, and maybe we put some drills on it later. So we'll keep that in our heads whilst we build it. And then we'll fly over to the GCDC station. Because if I take a small ship over there, I'm 100% relying on batteries at that point. And that's really far away. I don't think I could get there on like 4 batteries, for example, and back. But if I take a big ship, then you can actually have solar panels which will recharge. That's my plan, at least. You can't put these wind turbines on there. So solar panels are worse. They're just like flat out worse than the wind turbines, but they can go on ships, so makes sense. I think the other type of power that you can make is you can make a reactor, like a uranium reactor. But you can't get uranium on Earth anymore. You can only get it up in... I don't know if you can get it just on the moon or if it's in asteroids. That's something that I should look into, but I think you can only get it on asteroids, and the same for platinum. And you need platinum for... I'll open this up and I go to production and tools. Yeah, these are like better, the elite versions of the tools. They require platinum. Oh, same with the rocket launcher. Interesting. And yeah, and like the rifles and stuff, but okay, right, let's get building, I think. So that's not the button I wanted. I wanted this one. I think the first thing we're going to do is get rid of all of that. And we need a landing gear. That's how you start like everything in this. Just grab a landing gear. What's next? I think... See, there you go. There's the small reactor that you can make. So we want that. We want batteries. Well, we're going to want some light armor blocks to begin with. Why have I got that unlocked? I'm confused. I don't have that one unlocked, but I do have this one unlocked. Oh, because is it... Wait. No idea, because it's an interior wall, but it doesn't look like an interior wall when I was hovering over it. Anyway, I only said that because it looks like a DLC block. Oh, because it's one of the scrollable ones. Okay, anyway. We're going to want a cockpit or a control seat. Let's make a cockpit for now, and we'll make like a small, large ship, if you know what I mean. What else? We're going to need some thrusters. Oh, can't type today. There we go. So I'm going to get probably these thrusters. Maybe we'll get the large ones as well. And then we need some batteries. And that'll do us for now. And then we'll probably add more later. So I need like a bunch of steel plates. Luckily I've got a ton. That's good. Good to see. I'm going to start building this out here somewhere. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a little platform for this leg to stand on. So it's like nice and flat. So if we do this and then we rotate it all the way around. Is that going to lock to this? Ah, yeah, we can make it lock. Okay. Why are you not flipping upside down, you weirdo? I'm trying not to press my buttons, which stop me recording. Okay, we'll just do one of those, and then if we drop this, it should Should land perfectly fine. Okay, cool. Oh, I need to refill my hydrogen as well. Okay, I am just going to stick a cockpit there for now. I might just do a similar design to what I've done over here. Does this have any conveyors on it? It's got one right on the bottom. That's a bit of a... I don't know, maybe that's fine, because you could put like drills all the way around this, and if I remember correctly, the drills... this is just because I'm thinking about drills right now, so we can get rid of that, put that down. Yeah, they've got conveyors all over it, so you can put like one on the bottom, one on the side of that, up, round, you know. And then that would be like a ton of drills that are drilling out a big area. That might work. Anyway, we're not going to put drills on this just yet. Yeah, let's put battery, 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 and then we'll put all of the different thrusters on. And I'm thinking just 2 of each small thruster. Yeah, that would do. Okay, I think I'm a little bit proud of this one. This kind of looks alright. Not the nicest thing in the world, I must admit. And I did just pick it up to see how it flies, and it's not nice to fly. It's super like quick in this direction, up and down, and then moving side to side it's not as quick, and up and like down is not really that quick either. But that's because there are like less thrusters left and right and up and down. There's 2 going forwards, 2 going back, and that should slow me down and everything. I don't know, maybe I should add an extra 2 on the side here. But then where would I put my up and down thrusters? I mean, I could remove my connector that I put right here, which I was only going to do for... I've got only 1 battery on this as well, so it's not great. In fact, we could hop in, we could see how long it would take. Battery! Takes a whole day to charge this battery. And how long have we got if we take off? 18 minutes. Yeah, that's not great. More batteries. More batteries are needed, I think. And probably more power gen. Because these are not great, I must admit. They're not getting amazing... Where is the sun? It's right there. So, I suppose if the sun is here, yeah, they're not really getting... Can I just park this sideways? Is that a thing? So if I turn it like this... And then park. Oh, no. Parking engaged. If I have a look at this now... Oh, yes. Full on that one. Almost full on this one, because this is like taking up some of the solar areas right there. Not bad, not bad. I'm not a big fan of having the big old landing gear right there, if I'm honest, but I don't know where else to put it. I mean, I could move that and put a connector there, and then we could have a connector on the base, like we've got for the little one over there. In fact, we could move the little one somewhere else, park it up, and then... It's not going to fit, is it? Might have to have a new connector somewhere. Like, we've got a connector right here. I could build out another platform and have a little landing area for this. And have the connector on the bottom. I think that would be kind of good. I could remove this block here. And I could remove this block here. And we could have batteries there instead. It could almost work, you know. Almost work. Yeah. Another thing I could do is if I remove this connector, I could put more thrusters. I like that idea. Issue is, we're like completely out of silicon right now. Not that I think these take any silicon. Yeah, no, I don't think they do, but might have to do a bit of mining at some point. Or at least go and get some stone from over in our ice area. That is too far away, I think. Another thing we could do for now... this is a plan. Another thing we could do is have Where is it? It's in here. We could just make a bunch of hydrogen bottles and then fly there. And we might have enough to get back if we like fill out our inventory of hydrogen. Because I think no matter what happens, we will have, you know, we can go 100 meters per second like this with our jetpack. And no matter what happens in this ship, for example, we can't go above 100 meters per second. There is mods that like increase that cap. Obviously, as I said, I'm not adding mods until we get to the moon or we get some platinum. I think platinum's probably a better thing to head for. This just looks stupid, doesn't it? Like right here. Is there a different landing gear? Let's have a look. I swear I've seen on other people's. Ah, yeah, there's a mag plate. Oh, we could stick this somewhere instead. Like, we could put a block, like, here, and then... Yes, I like that idea. Okay, let me do that. In fact, I could put mag plates on the bottom of these. Just need some steel. Okay. Ooh. I always forget how to run in this game. So... Oh, no. You can have that back. Thank you very much. Why can't I put you there? Is that a thing? Is it because it's too... Okay, let's hop in. Am I not allowed to hop in? Okay, there we go. How slowly we raise up as well. Unable to park, that's fine. All I need to do is hop out. And now I could probably put this mag plate on there. Yeah. Probably a bad idea putting it on the actual thrusters themselves. No idea. Anyway, let's right click that, right click that. I think I might have most of this stuff because I messed up my build planner a couple of times. Okay, it's been a tiny little bit of a while, and I put the mag plates on everywhere, and then I realised that the connector is lower than the mag plate right here, so I don't know what to do about that. I might have to put a conveyor in there. Oh, I could put a small cargo container right there, and then that'll be a little bit of cargo on here, allowed. And then that'll bump this down a little bit. It'd look weird though, wouldn't it, if the conveyor... Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I piped this all up. And I'm using these light armor panels. They're kind of interesting. I left these open so you could see underneath that there's like pipes that go under right there. You probably see it better if I do this. There you go. So it goes underneath into the O2H2 generator. Oh, I'm flipping stuck. You kidding? Oh no, I'm good. Okay, I need to put that block back now. Brilliant. There we go. Lovely. It's looking good. Why does it keep going dark? It's annoying. I know why it keeps going dark. I mean, like, it seems to be always dark whenever I... Oh, I missed one. Whenever I start recording again. Yeah, there we go. Not bad. I think this is okay for my first big ship build. My big, small ship build. Okay, mistakes were made. I added an antennae at the back right here, and I also added a couple of batteries, but I think batteries are kind of heavy. Maybe the antennae is, like, kind of heavy as well. I did not think about this. Now there's not enough thrust to get us up, to get us to go up. So if I, like, make this so... I'm going to have to remove the antennae at least, and then put some more up thrusters. Yeah, if I just disconnected from this, and then the ship just started dropping. So I quickly reconnected straight away. Okay, time to... Seriously? Time to Get rid of the antennae. That's a bad mistake right there. I only wanted an antennae because I thought it was like... Yeah, like the antennae on this thing is Diddy. It's only 2 blocks. That thing's a beast. Absolute beast. So, yeah, I'm going to have to rip this antennae off and then I'll add some more thrusters. Oh well. I mean, for now, this is fine. I think this... oh my goodness. This should fly now if we go... Oh, it refilled my hydrogen. Was that this or was that... It might have been my hydrogen bottle. I'm not sure. But now, if we unlock, do we stay where we are? We do. Okay, that's good to see. Okay, I'm going to try and see how... you know what? I can just see how long this... Oh, I added a bunch of stuff since. Yeah, like these thrusters. They're no longer in the group that I made. I've called this thing Bird. Just B-I-R-D. Bird. I don't know why. It's just it looked like a bird to me, so... Yeah, Bird it is. Okay, the Bird was a little bit of a bust. I think I probably should have done a small ship, if I'm honest. Yeah, well, we've already got the 100... Was it 100 meters per second, like, cap? So we might as well just make a bunch of hydrogen bottles. In fact, my hydrogen bottle is getting low already, so slap it in there. Yeah, I might make a couple of hydrogen bottles. You know what? We don't even need to go to the station. I think what we do need to do is when it becomes daytime, I need to just go fly about a little bit and discover. Because there's surely got to be some sort of like where's all my unknown signals? I haven't had a single one yet. Oh, I had one in the first episode, I suppose, but does it depend where you are? Okay, I just went and checked, and apparently it might be a bug. I'm not entirely sure if that's a bug or not. But you know what we're going to do? Probably, yeah, just to finish out the episode, I really wanted to go to the station over there. But, well. We're going to drive over to our ice area, and I'm going to change the pistons, and hopefully it'll get down to ice at some point. But I want to go over there, see how far it's got. Okay, by the looks of it, not far. And that... oh, flipping out. I forgot to do any of the pistons. I thought I did one at least. Fine, we can do the pistons now. So, let's do the bottom piston? Yeah, bottom piston. Let's do this, and I think the velocity, if we set this to 0.02, that should start extending this, like, very slowly. I think it can handle 0.04. But I don't want to, yeah, I don't want to, like, I think it's 0.04 if you go just straight down, like we did right here. So, yeah, I'm not entirely sure if we should do that. And we are currently nearly, nearly 10% full? Under 10% full. So, we should, hopefully, at this point, we should have just mined this out by hand. Or got our little miner out here. This was just a little, I don't know, experiment, let's say. What you could do as well is you could add like a bunch of drills. like pop them out this way. Maybe a couple on this side as well, just in case it missed anything. Maybe a few on the front. And then it will mine like a bigger area. If that's the case, you should probably bump this over one and make it centered. I think. Anyway. Yeah, I think that's going to call it for this episode. So, thank you for watching. Thanks for joining. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.